Now, Jamaica's Reggae Girls have achieved their highest ever FIFA ranking after moving up 11 places in the December edition to number 53 in the world. Karen Madden reports.
More tangible evidence that the Reggae Girls' historic qualification to the World Cup continues to reap dividends came on Friday morning with the release of the December edition of the FIFA rankings. Jamaica made their highest ever jump after sealing victories over Costa Rica, Cuba, and Panama in the CONCACAF Women's Championship in October. They've also moved from number 6 to number 5 in CONCACAF and are now the highest ranked team from the Caribbean. Assistant coach of the senior Reggae Girls, Anja Price, has described Jamaica's rise in the rankings as a major achievement.
It's no small feat to be ranked at number 53 in the world. It's a major achievement coming from 87 prior to the CONCACAF championships. So it shows the big steps and gains that we have made, and we want to continue in the same vein.
The top 10 ranked teams in the world are world and CONCACAF champions in the United States, Germany, France, England, Canada, Australia, the Netherlands, Japan, Sweden, and Brazil. Meanwhile, the draw for the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup will be conducted on Saturday in Paris at 12 noon Jamaica time. Jamaica is in pot 4 alongside Argentina, Chile, Nigeria, Cameroon, and South Africa. The Jamaican delegation at the draw is headed by JFF President Michael Ricketts. The team also includes head coach of the national senior team, Hugh Menzies, and team manager Jean Nelson. Former Reggae girl Tashana Vincent has also been specially invited by the world governing body to watch the draw and promote the Women's World Cup under their recently unveiled initiative, the FIFA Women's World Cup Legends Program. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.